because who finna tell us that this is not our real hair? Nobody. Okay? Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Kwanda, and today I am coming back to you with another hair tutorial. So today's hair or wig is going to be on behalf of a company by the name of, I think you pronounce it Klaiyi or Klaiyi hair. This is going to be another curly V-part wig review and install. The most important thing that I want to show y'all, of course, is the wig. These curls are beautiful and the hair is nice and soft, but it's like they're kind of looser at the top and then they get tighter as you go down at the bottom, and I really like that. Most of these wigs are constructed this way, where they have, you know, the 4 clips up top, they have the little clip in the middle right here, and then they have the comb in the back, and then, you know, your combs on the side, and then the little adjustable strap right here. So it's definitely going to be something that's quick and easy for you to put on, whether it's the no leave out look or you want to add just a little bit of leave out. About these type of units, your hair does not have to necessarily match the texture of the unit or the wig in order for you to wear it. Like, of course, if you were wearing a U-part wig, you would have to make sure your hair blended in somehow with that unit or that wig. Okay, y'all, so y'all see how easy and quick it was to install this V-part wig. Super simple. Of course, you're gonna have to keep, you know, adjusting it, especially when you're styling it. These clips, they are gonna do the slip and slide, especially if your hair is straight underneath like mine is. This wig is not going anywhere. It's super sturdy. Once it's on, it's on. The only time, of course, that it's gonna move is if, like I said, you're styling it, you're combing it, brushing it, because you are like tugging at it. That's the only time it's gonna move. But other than that, it's super sturdy. You saw all of those, you know, clips that it had, and then the extra combs on the side, in the back. There's no way that this hair is going anywhere. So this is a very quick style, especially for the up and coming, you know, spring, summer, when we go into the beach, at the pool, on vacay, you know, spring break is coming up. This is the perfect wig that you can buy if you don't want to deal with your hair, mess with your hair, but you want that cute, you know, summer curly. You don't have to worry about your hair getting wet. I feel like this is definitely the perfect wig. This is super convenient and I love that. I love anything that's going to make my life easier, and I feel like that for you guys as well. If it's something out there that's gonna make you look cute but also gonna make your life easier, I'm all for it. So just a few details or specs about this wig. Like I said, shout out to Klaiyi Hair for sending me this wig to review for you guys. You know, I'm always going to give my honest opinion, whether it's something that I bought myself or it's something that a company sent for me to review. We work hard for our money, for our coins. I know firsthand what it's like to order from companies and the hair is like straight trash. But for now, my first install, my first look at the hair is beautiful. The curls are beautiful. The hair is soft. No like smell from what I can tell, which my smell is that's a whole nother story. I still haven't fully got my smell back from when I had COVID last year, y'all. So, but from what I can tell, like there's no like odor or strong smell to the hair. There's a lot you can do with V-part wigs. You don't have to just wear it this way. Of course, I'm showing you guys the most convenient and quick way, which is with no leave out. You could always leave a thin part or a thin amount of leave out, less than you would a U-part wig. If you wanted to blend in more, you can do what I did. Take the end of a rat tail comb. This is going to be your best friend and kind of like tease the roots of your real hair to kind of make it blend in a little bit more and cover the tracks, because that is the only thing that I can say about V-part wigs is sometimes it is hard to kind of blend in and cover up those little tracks. But if you, like I said, tease your roots and kind of, the thing that I notice is if you kind of take your comb and comb the hair near the track kind of forward to kind of cover the track, that helps too to blend it in even more. Or like I said, you could always leave just a tiny bit of your real hair out, because who finna tell us that this is not our real hair? Nobody, okay? I wanted to kind of keep the integrity of the original curls that it came with without brushing it and doing all of this stuff to it. The only thing I added to it was water and a little bit of my Bio Silk, the Silk Therapy leave-in conditioner. Just a couple of specs. This is their kinky curly texture 24-inch V-part wig. Let me know how you guys are enjoying these V-part wigs and these super convenient styles that these hair companies are coming out with. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure that bell is on so you do not miss another upload from me. I'm going to talk to you guys in my next video.